In today's video, I am going to teach you how to uninstall Valorant, updated 2026 guide. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs. When you see it appear in the results, click on it to open the App Settings page. Once the App Settings page opens, you will see a list of installed applications on your computer. This page lets you manage and remove programs that are no longer needed. In the search area on this page, type Valorant to find the game more quickly. When Valorant appears in the list, look to the right side of the app entry. You will see a three-dot menu next to it. Click the three dots to open the available options. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows will then show you another Uninstall button to confirm that you want to remove the application. Click Uninstall again to continue. After that, your system may take a moment to begin the removal process. Follow any prompts that appear on screen until the uninstall is complete. In some cases, Valorant may also require Riot Vanguard to be removed separately if it remains installed after the game is gone. If you still see Riot Vanguard in the installed apps list, use the same process to remove it as well. Open the three-dot menu next to Riot Vanguard, click Uninstall, and confirm the removal. Once both items are removed, it is a good idea to restart your computer. This helps Windows finish clearing any remaining background services related to the game. After the restart, you can return to the Add or Remove Programs page and search again for Valorant or Riot Vanguard to make sure they no longer appear in the installed apps list. This is the fastest built-in method for uninstalling Valorant on a Windows computer. Everything is done through the Settings app, and the process only takes a minute or two if the uninstall starts normally. If the uninstall button is grayed out or nothing happens after clicking it, try restarting your computer first and then repeat the same steps. In most cases, that will fix the issue and allow the uninstall process to continue normally. That covers everything you need to know.